Hello and good day, meteorologist Mike Adcock here. It's the 3rd of July and we're tracking Tropical Storm Nepartak as it churns over the Caroline Islands. Now currently it is outside of the Philippine area of responsibility. It is forecast to do so on Tuesday, at which point it would be named Buchoy. Now currently the biggest threat near term is going to be for Farolip Atoll there in Yap State. Tropical storm warning is in effect right now. Strong winds but heavy rains really going to be the concern there. More details on that in a moment. Take a look at the satellite loop. We've seen convection wane over the course of the day, and that's diurnally driven. A lot of the banding there on the south and eastern side of the storm. That being said, look at the showers, very widespread across all of the atolls there in Yap State, affecting Chuuk State as well, and seeing some of those isolated showers getting up toward Guam and the Marianas. Now, the latest information from JMA at 9 Zulu, the center of circulation was 125 kilometers north of Farolip Atoll, or 710 kilometers east of Colonia. It is currently moving north-northwest at 13 kilometers per hour. Generally, it's been erratic over the past day or so. Should continue to make a northwestward progress, though, over the next few days. Current wind speed with this system, 65 kilometers per hour with gusts up to 95, and our pressure at 1,002 hectopascal. Now, this is pardon the track here. This is actually from the 3Z JTWC forecast track, but the watches and warnings are current as of 9 Zulu. Right now, tropical storm warning is in effect for Farolip. Expecting those winds just with the close proximity to the storm center. Surf with this system, 1 3/4 to 2.5 meters. Overnight, should peak Monday morning up to 3 meters in height. Storm surge inundation should be less than a meter. And rainfall, again, that's going to be the main story, 150 to 200 millimeters of rain. Now for Faiz and Ulithi, you're in a tropical storm watch. Right now, damaging winds are not anticipated to come on shore, but any westward deviation to the track, and that's very possible with the system currently in this weak steering flow, that could bring tropical storm conditions your way. Right now, surf expected to remain 1.25 meters to 1.75 meters, peaking up Monday afternoon to 2.75 meters. Storm surge should remain less than 30 centimeters, and our rainfall rates there 75 to 150 millimeters. Now, let's go ahead, take a look at the synoptic picture, kind of give us an idea of what's going on. You see the center of the circulation with Nepartak there south of Guam. Now, currently it is in an area of weak steering flow, not a whole lot of progress, and we've seen that over the past couple days. It's just been really sitting there, dumping rain over on Micronesia. Now, the subtropical ridge off to the north should build in from the northeast. That's going to force Nepartak off to the northwest, and at that point we should see intensification. Shears should remain low, water temperatures at or above 30 degrees Celsius, so ripe for intensification. Should see this become a typhoon by Wednesday. Matter of fact, go ahead and take a look at the JMA forecast. Again, continue northwestward track there, it becoming a typhoon by Wednesday, and then further continuing to intensify there on Thursday before affecting the Ryukyus as well as Taiwan. Now, for our folks watching in the Philippines, I do want to emphasize we have to keep an eye on this system. Now, it's not directly anticipated to affect the Philippines, but it's going to be close enough. Folks in the Cagayan Valley, especially Batanes, you can see strong surf, possible surge, especially in Batanes. And it would not surprise me to see Pagasa issue a signal warning with this system. But the big concern is really going to be the enhanced monsoon. We've been seeing over the past couple of days intense thunderstorms creating flash flooding conditions across the archipelago, to include Negros and Cebu. And this could become more of a problem as Nepartak passes through. So we're going to continue to monitor the progress of this system. Again, the biggest threat right now looks for southern Ryukyu Islands as well as northwest or northeastern Taiwan as we get toward Thursday and Friday. So that concludes today's update on Tropical Storm Nepartak. Of course, you can get this and other analyses over at westernpacificweather.com or on one of the social media outlets there listed below. Thank you all for tuning in. Have a great day and take care.